So now they're offering you, why can't Africa be allowed to produce their own medication, their own vaccines? How many years do you need somebody to help you? How many years? For how long can you be waiting? It should be a shame at this time of your life and history if vaccines have to be imported to Africa to help Africa. It's a shame and a failure on the part of all the leaders. Your great-grandfather was helped. Your grandfather was helped. Now you want to be helped. It's a shame. You ought to come up with your own vaccines if you need vaccines. Whatever medicines you need. Isn't it a shame that leaders of African nations still have to travel to Europe and America to get medications when they get sick? You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed. At this time of your life, you should have grown up. For how long will you be a baby, a child? Then what are all the universities you have built? What are they for? It's about time you started thinking. And look at the brain drain. They take the best of Africa, take them away to Europe, take them away to America, and now to Asia, to China. And you don't care. What kind of leadership that doesn't think about the future? What kind of leadership that has no vision for the future? We need leaders in Africa that can think. Leaders that have a brain, that have some mind, that have a vision. Even as a young person in the university, I was just a young guy in the university. I made up my mind, still as a young kid, that I'll never go to another country to beg for money or anything. And I haven't done it.
Glory.
I haven't done it, I never will. Wake up and think. Paul said, when I was a child, I thought like a child. When I became a man, I put away childish things. When will Africa put away childish things?
Hallelujah.
Every nation in Africa, listen, Africa is old enough. At this time, every nation in Africa that is still calling for help from another country, the leadership is a shame. You have more than enough resources to help your country. Why are you borrowing money from nations that don't have it? Europe doesn't have enough resources to borrow you money. Neither does China. They're only borrowing you money that they got from you. Wake up.